Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off camera control in Roblox. First, launch Roblox Studio or open a Roblox game project. Now, go to the Home tab and click Game Settings. Here, select the Player or Camera Settings section. Look for options related to camera mode or camera control. Now, change the camera mode to Lock First Person or Classic, depending on your preference. Then, set camera min zoom distance and camera max zoom distance to restrict movement. Disable shift lock or other camera toggle features in the settings. For scripts, set starter player.camera mode is equals enum.camera.mode.lock first person. After that, save your game settings after adjustments. Playtest inside the studio to check if the camera control is disabled. If scripting, test in both server and client modes. Lastly, publish the updated game so the changes apply to all players. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.